Follow the steps on how to add a pattern to a box like this in Photoshop. Let's start by opening the box image. Next, open the pattern image. Press Ctrl A and Ctrl C to copy. Add a new layer. Go to Filter and open Vanishing Point. Add a dot at each corner. Hold Ctrl and pull like this. Likewise on this side. Press Ctrl V to paste the pattern. Click the zoom icon and hold Alt to zoom out. Press T to resize the pattern. Click the marquee tool. Then drag the pattern to the surface of the box. If the pattern is too small, find the corner of the pattern. Then press T and drag the corner while pressing Shift. Click OK. Change to multiply. Press Ctrl J to duplicate to get a more contrasting color and adjust the fill percentage. Finished. Thank you for watching until the end. If there is something you don't understand, write a comment below. Click like for support and activate the notification bell to get the next video update.